So this is another unboxing, unwrapping, have had some luck lately with ordering things, and I think this is another, maybe this was supposed to be a camera phone holder with a remote. Hopefully that's the remote. Otherwise I got another fail. Oh, yeah, there it is. There's the remote. I was thinking, oh man, again. So I started filming these because this was not what I ordered. Yeah, there it is. Little remote. Cell phone holder. See if it works. It said it was supposed to work on the 12 Max. I don't know. I would read the instructions, but no instructions. It looks pretty simple. All right, I'll just screw it on there. I've got the quick release plate here. Attach it to this. That goes on this. Well, supposed to go on that. That's the back part there. Not very quick. There we go. Like that. Then let's hook up the Bluetooth. Let's get my face on there. Set up the Bluetooth. Oh, little on-off switch. Maybe I should turn it on. How about that? Okay, it found it. Pair. Looks like we're connected. All right. And put it on photo. All right. We have pictures. It works. Okay, so I'll put a link to this on in the description. So it's yeah, works. Good deal. So 1 out of 4 on eBay this week, or 1 out of 5. This was the wrong item. I got another tripod. It was broken. Got this little bag for my iPad. It said leather. Turns out it's pleather. Then I got these quick release plates for the tripod. It says they're universal, but they're small. So it's a small universal. So those are wrong. And other than that, all is well in the universe. All right, good to go. Have a good day. One more time.